Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to log out of Access Bank mobile app. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank mobile application, which of course I have done right here. And then the next thing is, where exactly can you find Access Bank mobile app? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Access Bank mobile app and follow through the on-screen instructions to download the app. Now, after downloading the application successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign up window. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an account entirely by opening an account. So this is pretty much the process. How to sign in. Of course, after signing in, you can now, it's going to take you right into the homepage where you can now explore a lot of features of an exciting time in Access Bank. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to log out of the Access Bank mobile app. Now, after signing in, it's going to take you right into the homepage. Now, from the homepage, you're going to see a couple of features, a couple of icons representing diverse features. All you need to do is to find your way around it. Now, for you to log out, let's say you're done making transactions, you've sent money, you've deposited, you've withdrawn, you've checked your transaction history, you've printed your bank statement, and after doing all of this stuff, you just really want to log out. From the homepage, check the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to see a couple of icons, and one of them you're going to find is the profile icon. Now, the profile icon is usually at the bottom right corner of your screen. So click on your profile icon, and then it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see further options, a couple of settings. Now, from the settings, the thing that you need to do is to scroll down. So after clicking on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the home page, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see a couple of features. So scroll the way down, and the last thing you're going to find from that page or from that window is logout. So click on logout. Now, once you click on logout, that's going to be it. Just follow through with the steps and you'll be able to log out. It's no hassle. It doesn't take too much to log out. So select logout and you log out. You'll be logged out of the app. So once you're logging in again, you need to ensure that you have your login details, your login credentials handy. So once you log in, you won't find issues logging in again. So profile at the bottom right corner of your homepage and takes you to the next window. Scroll the way down and click on logout and you'll be logged out. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.